Majestic RV Explorers. We are on our way today to Inkslakestatepark. It's just outside of Burnet, Texas, and it's a pretty good park to go kayaking in. That is what we're going to go do today. We're going to meet up with some friends, and it is going to be quite the adventure. I don't think we've introduced ourselves. I am Diane, and this is Lance. He's my best partner ever. And we are new to this channel. We're Gen Xers, so we do not have a very fancy channel. I'm going to tell you right now, we don't do all the little graphics and all the fancy things you see on other RV channels. We just basically film our adventures. We will do some episodes on tips of work camping and things like that, because we have experience with that. But other than that, we just like to do adventures. So here we go. We're on our way to Inks Lake, and we will be there in just a few minutes. We have arrived. As you can see, that is the lake where we are going to go kayaking in. They have a cute little store that's just over there. It's got a pretty big parking lot, as you can see, so there's plenty of parking. We're going to be unloading our kayak, and we will be on the lake soon. And it is blazing hot out here today too, so should be a great day to cool off at the lake. Here is the boat ramp. We're coming home, coming back, and there's their little camp store where they have boat rentals and paddleboard rentals and kayak rentals that you can get. We are almost back to the parking lot.